Today I have a new toy that I want to unbox. Sony a6300. Alright, now the unboxing. Well, I got it new on eBay. You can get them used for a decent price. They go new about for $1,000 is an average new Sony a6300. I got mine new for $900 with the kit lens, so it is cheaper if you buy just the body. But let's see what's in here. So you got battery, USB-C, USB-C cable with the battery. You have, or no, this is charger for the battery. And then this would be the battery itself. Okay, just lay those down there, and then also a cap for the eye hole. Sweet. And then you have a nice new strap, whatever you want to call that, to hang around you. And then the camera itself. Let's see this bad boy. I'm so excited for this. Oh wow, that's smaller than I thought it'd be. Here is the camera itself. Sony a6300. I will make another video about this camera, reviewing like what it can do, and I will show you some test footage of it also. But this is a 16 to 15 millimeter lens, so it's a decently wide lens. When I do, so I'll probably use this lens mostly for vlogging and just you know, like video clips of when I'm talking or when someone else is talking. And then eventually I'll get a narrower lens, probably get a narrower lens for more of the B-roll kind of shots. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to use this. This thing can shoot in 4K at 24 frames a second. It can shoot also at 120 frames per second in full HD. So you definitely have some major opportunities with this camera, and you're getting, you know, features out of this camera that you would really only get out of a $2 or $3 grand camera. So really, it's, I mean, this thing's a beast. I can't wait to take some shots with it, and this is just gonna, you know, help my YouTube channel and just help me as a filmmaker get so much better at filming, and it'll open up so many more opportunities for me also. So yeah.